Hi everyone, and welcome. At Stellarnexus, we are focused on making the transition from business requirements to live applications faster and more secure. Today, I'm walking you through a live execution of our PRD Generator, a tool we employ here to help clients bridge the gap between their enterprise documents and Pega Blueprint. Let's look at a real-world scenario. We are building an insurance claims management system for a fictional company called Northstar Insurance. I'm uploading a supporting document as well to our PRD generator. By using your actual documents to start the process, we aren't just creating a generic claims app. We are creating a refined, enterprise-aware roadmap that reflects your actual business reality. Pega Blueprint is an incredible starting point for your application, and enterprises relies on mountains of proprietary documentation. But they can't simply upload those files into a public cloud portal. Our PRD generator acts as that missing reasoning layer. We can host this tool directly in your own environment, where you can use it in our specialized zero-memory cloud sessions. In our environment, nothing, absolutely nothing, is remembered once your session ends. It allows you to safely use your internal docs to build a high-fidelity foundation for your next application. As the generator builds the PRD, you'll see it's incredibly comprehensive, covering everything from the first notice of loss to final payment. It automatically produces a complete functional outline, defining the overall case structure, lifecycle stages, and core business flows, along with a high-level data model and the key personas interacting with the system. It establishes a clear blueprint of how the application is organized, giving teams a structured starting point to review, align, and evolve the design as requirements mature. But business requirements are never set in stone. I'm going to request a change by asking the PRD generator to add a new case type for fraud investigation that is automatically triggered when a claim exceeds defined risk thresholds. Because the generator already understands Northstar's business context, it immediately incorporates this investigation workflow into the overall application outline, aligning it with the appropriate operational structure. The PRD evolves in real time, embedding the new fraud investigation case type within the broader claim management design and ensuring it fits seamlessly alongside auto, home, and commercial claims. We're essentially defining and pre-wiring complex business logic here and generating a foundation before moving into the final implementation platform. Once we have refined the requirements, we export the PRD as PDF file, and this file is specifically engineered to be blueprint-ready. It contains the complete application outline, including all defined case types, their lifecycle stages, the associated data models, and the key personas involved. This document serves as the structured foundation for generating the blueprint and accelerating the transition from requirements to implementation. Now, let's see how we can use the PRD generated by our generator to build the blueprint. We simply upload the generated PRD document into Pega Blueprint, and the platform interprets the structured outline to automatically construct the solution foundation. This is the solution for clients who cannot use their raw documents to start in Blueprint directly. Pega automatically extracts the application name, business context, and structural outline from our PRD file and uses it to populate the blueprint. When we examine the auto claim case lifecycle, the result is striking. First notice of loss validation, assessment, and settlement are all mapped exactly as we defined them in our reasoning session. But it's the data objects that really show the power of the tool. Claim records, policy details, and fraud scores are pre-populated with correct fields and relationships, using business-friendly nomenclature that preserves technical integrity. We've effectively deleted the blank canvas problem. Instead of starting from zero, the solution designer and stakeholders can immediately begin refining a high-fidelity model. Because we applied reasoning to your native documents first, the PRD provides the exact architectural scaffolding Pega Blueprint craves, resulting in a significantly more mature and refined output. As powerful as version 2 is, we know the enterprise world is waiting for more. There is a massive hurdle in the trust gap of AI design. one that remains a primary concern for the most regulated industries. Next week, version 3 changes the conversation. While the details remain a secret for now, this update addresses the core friction point that has made AI design a wait-and-see for many. Don't blink.